Have you ever wondered how to talk with your kids about menstrual periods, where babies come from, sexually transmitted infections, sexual orientation, or sexuality in general? Hi, I'm Sandra Abarca. I'm a senior bilingual trainer, and I'm here to tell you about our website, talkwithyourkids.org, which provides information and resources for parents and caregivers to encourage open family communication about sexual and reproductive health topics. Research shows that young people want to talk to their parents and caregivers about sexual health topics, and that early communication around sexual health delays the onset of sexual intercourse. We're here to help to make those conversations easier and more effective. Let's take a look at one of our resources, the timeline. Each developmental milestone is broken down by key themes and have accompanying messages, activities, quick tips, and age-specific resources. Today, I'm going to talk about the third developmental milestone for children ages 6 to 8, which includes key themes around reproduction and privacy. At this age, children are becoming more independent, but they still need their family. Encourage them to be open with you about their questions and their experiences. They are also getting ready to experience puberty, so it's important to provide positive body image messages and begin to talk with them about what they may experience during puberty. They may also begin to ask more mature questions around reproduction. Here, we see some key messages for this stage. It's appropriate to answer questions about reproduction with basic facts. Take a deep breath, clarify the question, give a little bit of information, and then check to see what other questions they have. So if you're asked, how does pregnancy happen? You could say something simple like, that's a great question. What do you think? Then you can build off their answer and add some simple facts like, for pregnancy to happen, you need 3 things: an egg, a sperm, and a uterus. Here are some specific activities you can do with your child. We will model practicing giving and getting consent with your child. It's important to ask for consent before you touch your child, unless there's a safety concern. Ask your child for consent before hugging them, and then give them a moment to decide and respond. They can also ask you for consent when they want to touch you as well. You can also model this behavior with other adults by asking for consent before touching them. In this activity, you can model back and forth with your child or someone else, taking turns asking for consent and either giving consent or not giving consent.
Emily, can I give you a hug?
Sure.
Emily, can I give you a hug?
No.
Okay.
Check out Talk with Your Kids for more information to make family communication a little easier.